Hello friends, welcome you all in Seva Samajik Vikas Sanstha Satara. Today in our English session, we are going to discuss the topic one word substitution. Here on the screen, you are able to see the statement and you have to find out most appropriate word for this phrase. So let's see the alternatives given here and you have to choose from that. The first one, that which can be seen through. That which can be seen through. So what it is called? Magical, then opaque, transparent, or invisible. So, that which can be seen through is called transparent. So, option C. Next, that which cannot be taken by force. The things which we cannot taken by force. So, what it can be said as impregnable, inapprehensible, inaccessible, or immutable. So the things which we cannot take by force. So it is called impregnable. Next, a large impressive house. A large impressive house is called. So options are mansion, shack, cabin, or fort. So the correct answer is mansion. A large impressive house means mansion. Next, an official pardon. An official pardon. So what it can be said as options are redemption, regicide, amnesia, amnest. So an official pardon is called amen sorry amnesty. Amnesty means an official pardon. Amnesty. Next, one who walk on foot. One means person who is walking on foot is called. Options are protagonist, next pedestrian, next pedestrian, and the last option is pupil. So a person who walks on foot is called pedestrian. So option C is the correct option here. Next, impossible or extremely difficult to understand. The things which is impossible or extremely means very difficult to understand. So what it can said as options are inevitable, incomprehensible, incompatible, and inaudible. So the correct answer is incompatible. Sorry, improper, impossible or difficult to understand. So such a thing is called incomprehensible. Comprehensible means which the paragraph or the passage which is easy to understand or we are able to understand its meaning. So opposite of that is incomprehensible. Next, willing to be guided or controlled. Willing to be guided or controlled. So options are abominable, amenable, adamant, and adorable. So willingness to be advised or controlled is called option B, amenable. Amenable means able to control. Next, a group of singers in a church. So options are band, host, choir, or troupe. So choir means a group of singers, those who are singing in the church, choir song. So like that. Next, the original inhabitant of a country. The original inhabitant of a country. So what they call immigrants, aborigines, residents, and slaves. So the correct answer is aborigines. Aborigines means the original inhabitants of a country. Next, one who treats heart diseases. The doctor who treat heart diseases. So what it called? Radiologist, geologist, cardiologist, or dermatologist. So a person who treats heart diseases is called option C, cardiologist. Next, a person or thing that has the same name as another. Same name as another. So options are namesake, relative, pseudonyms, and successor. So the correct answer is namesake. Next question. One who eat too much. A person who eat too much. So what it called? Overweight, obese, then corpulent, and glutton. So a person who is eating more, result of it can be obese or overweight. Plus, but the option D, glutton means a person who eats too much. Next, able to adopt too many different functions or activities. A person who is able to adapt to many or many activities person is managed to do at a time. So what such person is called? So options are surrogate, versatile, deputy, and expert. So the correct answer is versatile. It is a quality of a person. Next, place from for collection of dried plant species. This is the place where we are keeping dried plant species. So what it called? Options are greenhouse, herbarium, warehouse, and nursery. So the correct answer is herbarium. Herbarium means the place where we are keeping the dry plant species for research purpose or doing study of something. So here, friends, we have discussed many words which can be substituted to the another. So that's all for the day. Have a good day to everyone. Thank you for being with me.